So we've just finished up doing a CarPlay retrofit interface integration on this BMW 4 Series 2016, as well as a reversing camera. Let me just show you the camera, which is just there. Really neat, you can hardly tell it's there. And on the front you can see the original screen just here. So I'm just going to get Luke to just talk you through the install and the features of it as well. Over to you, Luke.
Right, so we've integrated into the OEM screen a CarPlay kit with the reversing camera attached to it. So in terms of the reverse, obviously we'll get into that, but more importantly with the CarPlay. So we're going to press and hold a button that allows us to go into the CarPlay itself, and then from here obviously we can navigate through. It gives you the options for Spotify, Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, you name it, it will be on there as long as it's an Apple CarPlay ready app. So as you can see, Waze will be displayed there. We have Spotify, will be up on here as well, plays you all your recent library and everything that's from your phone gets data transferred over. So we have that available as well. We have Google Maps on here. The option for Siri as well, so obviously Siri can talk to you, read your messages and respond via a Siri as well. Obviously on the far left we'll have a split screen, so music and maps all in one place. More importantly as well, obviously if we go to the reversing camera, so if we go into reverse on here, it will show you your unit on there with movable guidelines left and right, and the option for parking sensor displays as well. So once you come out of reverse, it returns back to your original CarPlay.
Okay,
screen that
looks fantastic. So tell me, Luke, what sort of what's actually involved in the install? Is it the original screen, or do we?
So there's no parts have been changed. We've only actually integrated into it. So all of the OEM screen, buttons, panels, everything is all OEM. There's nothing that's been changed. We've only added on. Obviously, in terms of the kit that we use, obviously a lot of people turn around and say, does it affect the value of my vehicle? If anything, it improves the value of your vehicle. Reason being is obviously keeping everything OEM, plus you're integrating in. You're not changing any coding, any software updates, you're not doing any of that and tampering with the actual units of the vehicle. We're just integrating into it. So it has the option to obviously revert back to factory if need be. In terms of what's involved in installs and stuff like that, it's typically around about 3 to 4 hour install. It involves obviously removing numerous parts of your dashboard, your glove box and things like that, so we can move and get to places obviously for the kit to mount to. But once that's all done, obviously you have the option on our website once you purchase it to pay for an install fitting. We advise going for install fitting as well. Just make sure life a little bit easier on that side to it.
Okay, sounds great. Really good upgrade. So all you BMW owners out there, if you haven't got CarPlay or Android Auto on your factory screen, we can get it done here. Just get in contact with us on the details below. Thanks very much.